All right, you amazing people, welcome back. You are tuned in.
Great to be here.
Today, we're not just dipping our toes in. We are going full submarine mode, plunging into the buzzing UAE real estate scene.
That's right.
Specifically, we're zeroing in on Dubai and the Dubai International Financial Center, the DIFC.
Lots happening there.
And let me tell you, the data is pretty eye-popping.
It really is.
Our mission today, simple. Give you the absolute must-knows without making your head spin. Ready?
Let's do it. The market's moving so fast right now. It's fascinating.
Okay, first up, Dubai. Q1 2025. Just wow. Hold on to your hats, folks.
Huh?
We're talking AED, 142.7 billion with a B in property sales.
It's the second best quarter they've ever had, ever.
Exactly. That's a massive 30.3% jump from last year. Over 45,000 transactions. What's fueling all this energy?
Well, it seems to be a mix of things. Strong investor confidence, definitely. Attractive government policies probably play a part too.
And just general growth, more people, more businesses coming in.
Absolutely. That influx continues to be a major driver.
So where do we see the most action? Land sales. This is wild, up nearly 194%.
Just incredible numbers. That's AED 35.5 billion just in land.
Bonkers. Apartments were super hot too, right? Reaching AED 62.3 billion.
Yeah, very strong demand there. And villas weren't far behind, pulling in AED 41.3 billion.
So it's really across the board, isn't it? Not just one niche.
Exactly. It's a broad-based boom.
Yeah.
And for anyone looking at rentals,
Yeah. Where should they be looking?
keep an eye on places like Dubai South and Al Furjan. Prices there have jumped 26% and 21% respectively.
Wow. Okay. Shows strong demand in those specific spots.
Definitely.
And, it seems like that new build appeal is still huge. Off-plan properties dominated in 2024.
Yeah, making up around 63% of the deals, it's still incredibly popular.
And get this, over 72,000 new units are expected to be delivered this year.
That's a huge amount of new supply hitting the market. It's remarkable, really.
Like building a mini city and looking forward. What's on the horizon?
Well, one interesting thing is the Dubai Land Department. They're looking into real estate tokenization.
Tokenization, like breaking properties into digital pieces.
Sort of, yeah. The idea is it could make property investment much more accessible, potentially lower entry points for people.
Interesting. Very digital forward. Okay, so Dubai is clearly on fire. Let's switch gears a bit. Head over to the DIFC.
Right, the Dubai International Financial Center. Things are definitely heating up there too, but maybe in a different way.
What's the latest buzz? I heard about a new tower.
Yeah, the Heights Tower. It's the big new luxury development grabbing headlines.
Luxury? Okay, so we're talking premium prices.
Oh, yes. Starting price is AED 2.4 million. That works out to about AED 2,900 per square foot.
Sheesh. Okay, and you won't even get the keys for a while, right?
Nope, completion isn't expected until 2029. So it's very much a long-term off-plan play.
And location.
Yeah.
Must be pretty special for that price.
It is. It's apparently on the last available plot in the original DIFC area, right on Gate Avenue, next to where the new Four Seasons residences are going up.
Oh, okay. Prime spot. Makes sense.
Absolutely. And remember, they're planning DIFC 2.0, which aims to triple the size of the district.
Right. So demand is only likely to go up in that whole area.
You'd certainly expect so. More businesses, more people wanting to live and work there.
But here's something interesting. Waiting until 2029 for those kinds of returns. That's one strategy.
A patient one, yes.
But you don't necessarily need, like, millions in a 5-year wait to get a piece of the DIFC market, do you?
No, not at all. That's a really important point. While these huge off-plan launches get the spotlight, there are opportunities now.
Like properties already built, already earning income.
Exactly. There are existing assets, income-producing properties within DIFC that you can potentially invest in at a very different kind of price point.
I think I saw something about a one-bedroom in Sky Gardens. Already funded, already got tenants paying rent.
Precisely. That's a great example. It offers the potential for immediate returns, rental income, from day one without that long wait.
So you don't have to wait years to see some action, even in a prime spot like DIFC.
Correct. And frankly, with the inventory in DIFC getting tighter and entry prices generally creeping up, well, exploring these current income-generating opportunities now might be a pretty smart move if you're interested in that market. Timing could be key.
Okay, so let's zoom out. What's the big takeaway here for everyone listening?
I mean, it's clear the UAE real estate scene, especially Dubai and DIFC, is incredibly dynamic right now.
Yeah, you've got these record-breaking sales figures, these forward-thinking digital plans like tokenization.
And this really interesting contrast between the, ultra-luxury launches like Heights Tower and more immediately accessible investment options that are already producing income.
Right. Lots to think about. We've really just scratched the surface here today, haven't we? Giving you a snapshot of what's at stake.
Definitely just a snapshot. It's a fast-moving picture.
And hey, if you are keen to understand the wider region better, I know there's some great resources like webinars covering the Saudi market too. Worth checking out for that bigger picture.
Good point. Understanding the regional context is always valuable.
So, what stands out most to you listening to all this? It's a fascinating landscape, isn't it? We really hope this deep dive gave you some valuable perspective to chew on.